Are you trying to start an online business but don't know which one you should choose? Don't get confused because I'm going to share a great business model with you. Drop servicing business is extremely profitable. You can charge as much as 70% profit margin with zero investment. Stay tuned till the end of the video if you want to get the complete guide about drop serving businesses, like what are its benefits and why is it a very good business to start online. In the end, I will also talk about the platforms you can use for it. You might have heard about the dropshipping business model so many times, in which you can sell products that you don't even own. Drop servicing business is almost the same as drop shipping, but in this business model, you don't sell physical products. Instead, you sell a service. Now, the great thing about drop servicing business is that you don't need to work by yourself. You just need to get the project from the client and outsource it to freelancers on different platforms and get your profit. For instance, you get a logo design project from Upwork for $500 and outsource it to a freelancer on Fiverr for $200. So you can easily make a $300 profit without working at all. So in simple words, you can say that being a drop servicer means that you're a middleman. Many people want to start an online business in order to get financial freedom. The problem with most online businesses is that you need high investment and experience in order to start your business, and the chances of loss are also high. 1. High profit. People are not satisfied with 9-to-5 jobs because they don't get a good amount of money to become financially free. Therefore, they look for different types of business models that are easy to start and that can pay a good amount of money. Drop servicing is the best business model for them due to that high profit margin. You can go as high as 70% profit margin. No other business can provide a high profit in a short time than the drop serving business. 2. You can work from home. Another great benefit of drop servicing is that you don't need to step out of your home. As this business model is completely online, you just need a computer, mobile, and internet connection. If you think you're an introvert and don't want to interact with most people, this might be a perfect option for you to earn money beyond your imagination. 3. Easy to start this business. Just like other forms of businesses where you need high investment to start your business, drop servicing doesn't require any cost. There are many people who want to start their businesses, but unfortunately, they don't have enough money to take the first step. But not in the case of drop servicing. Remember, you don't have to pay the money to the freelancer until the project is completed. Even after the completion of the project, you take the money from the client and send it to the freelancer after deducting your profit. So what else do you need? 4. You can control the workload. The best thing about drop servicing is that you can control the workload. It's not your 9-to-5 job or your boss can force you to work more than what you can do. You can take the project whenever you like and outsource it anytime. 5. Unlimited income potential. There is no limit to income in this business. In fact, you can take your income to any level. It just depends on how many projects you can win. Even if you're doing a job, you can also start this business and skyrocket your income. 6. Be your own boss. In this business model, you're the one who'll make all the decisions. You can choose the project that you like, and you can also outsource the work to your trusted freelancer. People love to do the kind of business where they can make most of the decisions. In short, everybody loves to get the power to make decisions. 7. It's also beneficial for freelancers. Drop servicing is also beneficial for freelancers. The major reason is that there's great competition in the freelancing industry, and it becomes difficult for freelancers to get the project directly from clients, so it's easy for them to get the work from the intermediaries. Yes, there is no doubt that they would receive a lower price, but at least they would get the regular flow of work. There are a few reasons this business model is good to start online. Hassle-free. One of the major advantages of drop servicing business is that its structure is hassle-free. You don't need to ship the order to the customers after waiting for orders for so long in the case of digital products. The effort that you have to put in is just taking the project and handing it over to a freelancer. That's it. No skill required. If you want to sell products, you need experience because you're going to invest a lot of money, and you would never want to get a massive loss. After all, it's your hard-earned money, and you just cannot burn it in front of your eyes. The biggest advantage of drop servicing business is that you don't need investment, and you don't need experience because you're not the one who will complete the work. You can choose the project according to your own choice. Drop servicing business gives you an option to choose the project that you like. For instance, if you want to get the writing project, it's up to you. And if you want to get the graphic designing project, it's still up to you. High demand and recession-proof. Recession affects almost every type of business, and you might have heard that the markets are not going great even from the start of 2022. This brings fear among businessmen, but you're lucky if you start a drop servicing business. There is always a great demand for the services. For instance, it doesn't matter whether the market is going high or low. The client will always need a content writer for their blog. If you want to start this business, there are a few steps that can help you in this regard. First of all, you have to choose your niche. There are plenty of options available. For instance, you can go for graphic designing, writing, video editing, social media management, Facebook ads, Google ads, and many more. After choosing the niche, the next step is finding a freelancer. You might be thinking about why we should not find the client first. Imagine if you get the project from the client first and you don't have anyone who's willing to complete the project. You'd be in trouble. Therefore, you should find a freelancer. The great thing about this business model is that you don't need to build your own website. You can simply take the work from freelancing platforms and outsource them to people. So the third step is finding the right projects. Some platforms you can use. There are plenty of platforms where you can find high-quality freelancers like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, and many more. If you want to give the project to quality and experienced freelancers, you should go to Upwork, because the great thing about this platform is that freelancers will come to you instead of you going to them, like in the case of Fiverr. That's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of each update. Click on the above video if you want to hear about the changes that happen in your body if you eat oats daily.